So you can do all your movement with this hand, and this one will be stationary, okay? So you got to get into a comfortable position where it feels good to you. Alright? So when I do it, I'll hold that front hand down. My left hand, I'll hold it down. So all you have, come on. Real slow with it. Let's see how you dodge the bottom with it. Not bad. Not bad at all for your first time. So check it out. You see how you're more tight than you were in the bottom? So you got to get where you can see it, okay? You got to watch it and make sure that you're tying into both of them instead of just looking at the right light, okay? Okay? And your left hand is going to be holding it. It's going to be your stabilizer. So you can do all your movement with your right hand and hold it. Are you right-handed? Okay. So you'll do all your movement and you'll hold it with your left hand. And your left hand also is your prop. It'll prop so everything stays the same for you as you're doing it. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to take. I'm not going to. You can look at it. Is I want you to make a puddle down here on the bottom. And then tie it in at the top. Slowly move it forward and tie it in at the top. Slowly move it forward. Okay? So I'll show you what we're looking for.